What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 4 of this build. So today we're going to take the turbo out, we're going to ship it, and then start cleaning some of the mating surfaces up. Alright, so here's the turbo, manifold. There are 2 bolts right here, 13mm, and 2 other ones on the backside that are also 13mm.
Cover yourself with a blanket, silent breathing. There are demons in your room. Don't be scared, there's no reason for the tears you shed. Tonight I'll come back singing sweet love.
Alright guys, we're back. Hope you liked that little cinematic shot. Right now, what we're going to do is start cleaning the cylinders, or not the cylinders, sorry, the pistons on the motor. I already cleaned one of them out with some WD-40. I'm about to try out some acetone to see how this goes. It was recommended that I should use this. We'll see how it goes. So what I'll be using is some green Scotch-Brite pads. Yeah, turn you around to here. So I'll be using some green Scotch-Brite pads. This one's made by 3M, but you can get Scotch-Brite, it's the same thing. Green is basically, the colors are different. The colors are different grits. Green is the proper grit to do this safely and not severely scar the piston. And then I got these brushes from Ace for about $3. It's a $3 pack. Soft, medium, and hard. Pretty low. Bristle brushes, basically. They're pretty good. I'm just gonna wet my Scotch-Brite. See how this does. Oh, not bad actually. Okay. It's actually breaking down the carbon pretty quick, much quicker than WD-40. Let's see here. Use one of my wire brush pads, or wire brush. Nope, too stiff, too soft. Residue. One thing I forgot to mention is that this motor is all aluminum. It's an aluminum block, aluminum head, aluminum pistons, and actually, I think they're aluminum pistons. Let's find out. So this is a strong magnet. It's definitely ferrous. Okay, the sleeves are definitely. This is the block. These are the. Okay, so yeah, the sleeves are iron sleeves, which is good. I don't know if it's common to just use iron sleeves, but pistons are a little magnetic. Maybe it's the rod. That's probably what it is. Alright guys, welcome back. So next up I'm going to clear the timing belt out of the way, and then I'm going to get in there and check the coolant leaking around the water pump. I think the gasket might be bad, and I'm also going to check the water pump to see if I should replace it or not. Okay, I guess I'm replacing the timing belt anyway, so I'm having a hard time taking it out, so I'm just gonna cut. There we go. All done. Yeah, it's not bad. It was replaced about 40,000 miles ago, so looks pretty good. Well, that goes in the garbage. Oh, never mind. There's like a little notch that holds it in place. There we go. That's out. Nope, it looks really good. Just needs a new gasket. It's pretty clean. No buildup, nothing. I'll clean it up. No biggie. There's no play. Shake it inwards, side to side. You're good to go. Yep, this is why it's leaking. See that? Damn gasket's breaking. I mean, if this is a Volvo gasket, then that's pretty bad, because that's what I bought. Scrub eraser. There we go. What's funny is, so I took the car about a year ago to the dealership because of the residue that I was seeing that was building up on the side of the engine, right on this side, and it was kind of oily. At that time, I haven't really like messed around with coolant, so I didn't know that the coolant for this car can be oily, or like it's kind of oily. It's not like a full oil, but so when I took it there, I thought it was an oil leak leaking out of the cam seals, right? So I never mentioned that to see what the technician's gonna tell me, and then the technician did tell me that it's the cam seals. I mean, I just took the freaking motor apart and there was zero leaking from the cam seals, but he told me that it's the cam seals anyway. So turns out, after a week, I took it to a car wash, sprayed the entire side of the engine, and cleaned it up. It was spotless. So I left it, drove it for a couple months, and then I started seeing buildup around the water pump. So then I knew that definitely the freaking water pump is leaking, and it's not my cam seals or my crankshaft seal. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab some Scotch Brite, clean the surface up a bit from the water pump. Alright, nice and shiny. Alright guys, so this is it for today. I got really busy today, so I didn't have any time to do some stuff on the car, but it's not a big deal. I already sent the turbo out. That was my biggest issue, because I was trying to send it out in time. But yeah, I got some stuff done today. Tomorrow I'm going to be reinstalling the water pump, clean the side of the motor, and then clean the rest of the motor, the head, and the cam cover. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. It'll definitely help me out. Check me out on Instagram. Keep an eye out for my story. I always post on there. And yeah, that's about it. You get the idea by now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.